previously mentioned, these videos are going to be all about how to make you sugar savvy. So we've got Dr. Jambi here with us again today. She's very, very passionate about this topic. So let's pick her brain.
Fantastic, I'm all here for that, for sure.
Alrighty, so first question. Now, how much sugar should people be having per day?
Yeah, that's a very good question. And in my little research that I did recently, Australian Dental Association has simplified that for us. And for an average adult, it's 6 teaspoons of sugar. So if you think about kids, they haven't mentioned anything clearly, but I would say it would be 3 to 4 teaspoons and no more than that per day. So yes, for an adult it would be 6 teaspoons of sugar per day is sort of acceptable.
Yeah, now that's very, very hard to know when you reach, I guess. 6 teaspoons can be gone very, very quickly.
That's true. And I was just doing a quick math in my head, and I'm like, maybe I'll just reach that by breakfast time. I'm finished with my 6 teaspoons.
So I guess leading into that, I've heard people say it's very hard to read labels with our drinks and food and stuff. So that would mean people definitely don't know when they're reaching the 6 teaspoons a day. So how can we simplify that and help people to know that better?
Yeah, absolutely. And that's the thing. When I go for grocery shopping, I'm forever looking at the things and labels and reading. I'm like, oh my god, that is so confusing. And then comparing to 5 different products that we have for the same thing, for a cereals and things like that. So I think the easiest way to find out is to look at the serving size. And the serving size will have sugar in it and how much gram of sugar is there. So for example, for cereals, I can show you that this particular cereals is showing the sugar over there and the serve size. So 1.1 sugar per serve. So the simplest way is to divide this 1.1 into 4. So this will have quarter teaspoon in a 2 size of biscuit. So and then you have to consider that you have to add milk to that. If this is a cereal, you're going to add milk, then you're going to add some honey or sugar or something on top of it, or fruit or something. So by the time you have 1 serve of breakfast, you would easily be reaching 2 or 3 teaspoons sugar. And so anytime you read a label, simplest thing to do is divide the serving size of the sugar by 4. So if the sugar says that per serving size there is 30 gram of sugar, you divide that by 4 and that would be like 7 teaspoons of sugar. So try and read label and just see how much sugar is going in your stomach basically.